Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I wanted to give you an update. I did a little bit of a DIY project. Today I went to Home Depot. My husband took me there today to buy this board. It's an 11 by 37, and as you notice, there's a bar that goes across underneath. And so I decided to go ahead and make another shelf for my succulents. And the reason why is because unfortunately, my east facing window doesn't get enough sunlight, not enough sufficient sunlight for my succulents. So I did move these, and temporarily today I bought this lamp. And this is actually a grow lamp. Well, it's not a grow lamp, it's a grow light bulb with a regular desk clamp lamp. So I created this here, but I did order a light that I'm gonna hang from up here, the bar, and it's like a fanned, I guess, design, so that way it'll cover a lot more than what it's covering now, but that doesn't come until a couple of days. So I figured I'm gonna need this lamp anyway to put onto this shelf, so at least my other plants can get some sun. So yeah, I decided to do this DIY thing. You remember, this used to be my boot rack. I had to move my boots to my closet, no big deal. It's okay. And down here, I have my little toolbox I'm working on as a working station. I have my 3 jars of collected rainwater there. And in a box next to that is actually my tools that I use for, my planting and things like that. Some old surgical equipment as well there. And then I am actually drying out this saucer plant. There's no water or anything in here because I'm waiting for the scars to form up, to callus up. And so I'm just leaving it here until it dries. And this string of pearls here, my husband accidentally broke it off this plant today, putting this shelf up for me. And so yeah, I decided to go ahead and put this in water so I can actually go ahead and propagate it, because it did fall off and I don't want to waste a beautiful string like that. And I still have my little leaves down there just drying out, waiting to scar, so I can go ahead and actually plant them in these. And what I do is, there's a little bit of water, there's water here, but it's not going to touch the water. I'm going to poke some hole in this saran wrap, and it's going to hover right over, and it's going to kind of like I guess condensation's going to come up, but it's not going to be water, so it doesn't get root rot. And I also have some here that I'm getting ready to propagate, but also waiting for them to dry out, because they have to dry, otherwise they will rot. And you can't just put it right into dirt or anything like that. I'm also waiting for a couple of proper, this is my box from Erin Condren, so I'm waiting for a proper kind of like a tray to do that. And so yeah, and I have my little tool right there, and if you can see, I have various different, the light makes it really weird, various different succulents here that I have actually repotted, or this is one of the Cindy's, and I'm trying one under this light and one naturally, but the other ones are really growing in really good. I'm really happy about that, because let's see, this one here, to give you an update, look at this, the roots, oh, I'm holding it kind of wonky, so let me see if I can change hands, my camera hands. I'm not very good at this, I don't want to drop it. And these are the other Cindy's, but take a look at the root system on that. It's starting to grow. Look at that. I'm just so happy about that. And these I will probably plant, I'm thinking about letting it grow actually, and water to see how that happens, because like this one here is a plant off of my mother plant over here of the pothos, and as you notice, it's starting to get finally roots are developing, and you can't see it. Why can't I see it? Oh, there, like there. And so yeah, it's finally coming up with the roots. Sorry about that. And so I'm thinking about doing some in water. Yeah, Macaulius isn't doing so good. They love sun, and it's just, I'm gonna have to move it into the light. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and move this lamp and clip it over here. And if I wasn't using this light here actually for my filming, I would put the bulb for grow light, and of course that one there as well, and it would be a great one. It'd be really, things would be growing like crazy here, but I'm gonna have to consider that, because I do need it to record, and I don't want to be under a grow light because it does have UV rays, and so I have to be careful with that. So yeah, that's the update for now, and tell me what you think. And here is my Monstera. And there's Elvis down there, still doing well. And messy desk. And my 2 plants there. That's the other Cindy that's by herself. And so yeah, and that's it guys for now. And so this is my real quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, don't sweat the small stuff. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.